Today, I'm gonna show you how to take your ordinary cabbage and potato and turn it into this delicious pan-fried patties. And I'm also gonna show you how to make this simple soy sauce dipping sauce that goes so well together. I'm just telling you, cabbage and potato pancakes, ooh, will be everyone's favorite. 오늘의 레시피, 바삭바삭하고 고소한 양배추 감자전 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영으로 함께 하겠습니다. You rip it open like this. Oh my God, so wrong, but so right. Oh. Bon appetit, everyone. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean product links that you could order online. To make our cabbage potato pancakes, we need shredded cabbage, about 300 grams. And I just need you to make sure that they are shredded thinly, like so, whether you're using a mandolin or cutting them yourself with a knife. And we also need carrot strips. Not a whole lot, just a little bit to create a little bit of that color and crunchy sweetness to our cabbage potato pancake. About 25 grams of carrot sticks, like so. Then we're gonna place our cabbage and our carrots in a bowl, like so. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, like that. And we're just gonna let the cabbage and the carrots hang out with the salt for about good 15 minutes. And we need about 200 grams of potato. Again, using a mandolin slicer, make sure to cut your potato into thin strips like so. Then we're gonna place our potato strips into a bowl of cold water. We're just gonna let the potatoes hang out in the cold water for about good 15 minutes. All right, so it's been 15 minutes later and our cabbage is very soft, you know? So it lost its firmness, which is great. And our potatoes have been soaking for 15 minutes too in the cold water. So let's just take it out and put it on a strainer like so. So the purpose of soaking our potatoes in cold water is to remove this excess starch, and also our potato sticks are super firm and crunchy. And this process is very, very important in making our cabbage potato pancake super crunchy and yummy. So let the potatoes hang out in the strainer for about a minute or two while we get the rest of our ingredients ready. Need a quarter of a medium-sized onion, 1 scallion finely minced. Okay, so the excess water from our potatoes have drained nicely, so we're just gonna add it to our bowl. Then to this, I'm gonna add half a cup of pancakes, which is Korean breadcrumbs, also known as panko breadcrumbs here in the States, and a half a cup of tempura batter mix, 튀김가루. Now you could order both the breadcrumbs, pancakes, tempura batter mix, 튀김가루 online, and I'll have the product links in the description box below. Alternatively, you could also make your own Korean pancake batter mix, which I have a recipe for, and you could add that instead of the tempura batter mix. And to this, we're gonna add 1 egg, and we're gonna add a quarter cup of cold water, some black pepper, about 1/8 teaspoon, and we're gonna go in with our hands and mix everything up until it looks like this. So our vegetables are still soft, but it's not heavily coated in the batter, and this is exactly what we want. So it's more vegetables than the batter. So just pat it down gently like that. Put a saran wrap on it, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, it's been 15 minutes, and let's pull our cabbage potato mixture out. So the purpose of this 15-minute resting period is so that our tempura batter mix and breadcrumbs and all the liquid in here have kind of gelled together. So now, see, it's a little bit thicker. Okay, this is my secret tip in making vegetable pancakes without loading it with too much of the batter mix. Look at that. Now this is ready to go in the frying pan. Wait, hold up. Did you know that you could order Korean ingredients at Amazon.com? So go to Amazon.com/shop/modernpepper and I will see you there. Set your heat to high and preheat your non-stick frying pan for about a good minute or two. Once your frying pan is preheated, I want you to lower it to medium-high. Then I want you to add a generous amount of oil, about 2 tablespoons at least. The more oil you add, the crispier the pancakes will come out, or you could add less. I mean, it'll still taste good, it just won't be as crispy. Let's pick up some of our vegetable mixture here, add it to our frying pan, like that. And I want you to quickly kind of form it into a circle, like that. You have these guys that are sticking out, push it inside, like that. Then I want you to press it down and flatten it. This flattening part is important so the bottom kind of seals. Then move the oil around so it sizzles beautifully like that. And go on with the rest of the batch. And as you grab your cabbage and potato mixture, make sure to kind of mix it from the bottom because the bottom has all the extra batter liquid. And again, make sure to press it down and let these guys fry for 2-3 minutes on medium-high heat or until golden brown. All right, so it's been about 2 minutes. Let's take a look. Ooh, you see that? That's the color we want, golden brown. So we're gonna flip it over like that. Beautiful. And same thing on this side. Ooh la la. So again, just press it down. Now, once you turn them over, cook them for 2-3 minutes on medium-high heat or until it turns golden brown. Look at that. All right, so once the other side is nice and golden brown, oh yeah, this is ready. Then we're gonna place it on a cooling rack like so. Ooh, look how beautiful that looks. And always take out any residue in the frying pan before you start your second batch, which is very, very important because if you keep it in there, it'll just continue cooking and it'll turn black and you'll have black specks on your second batch of the cabbage potato pancake. And continue with your second batch. And always drizzle extra oil in between each batch. And our last one. Here we go. So this recipe makes about 9 pancakes like so. So it's important to let these guys cool down for 5 minutes before you dive in. Now, while the cabbage potato pancakes are cooling down, let me show you how to make this delicious soy sauce dipping sauce right now. So to make our soy sauce dipping sauce, I have about half a tablespoon of scallions, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. All-purpose soy sauce is fine. And to this, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of water. And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. I'm using brown rice vinegar, but any white vinegar will do. And then we're gonna add half a teaspoon of gochugaru. That's Korean red pepper flakes. And to this, we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of sesame oil, add a little bit of sesame seeds, and then we're just gonna mix it all up. And this is ready. All right, so time to dig in, literally. So I'd like to go in and split it open like that. So nice. And look at that, look at the inside. It's still kind of moist and you can see all the vegetables. Oh, if that doesn't look good, I don't know. I don't know if we could be friends. Or my other favorite way is, you know, once it's cool enough to touch, then you rip it open like this. Oh my God, so wrong, but so right. Oh, and then you just like tear it open. And then my favorite part is the edge where all the pieces of the potato and the cabbage have like gotten extra crispy. Ooh, so good. Bon appetit, everyone. And guess what? It tastes better when you eat with your hands, just saying. And then you must dip it in the sauce. Look how good that looks. Now it's perfectly seasoned, and this is just like lovely cabbage pancake heaven in your mouth. I love this pancake. It's just so yummy. With the soy sauce dipping sauce, just like, oh, it's just perfectly seasoned. It's yummy, savory, just the right amount of saltiness, and then the vegetables are still crunchy, and it's not so heavy in the batter. And sometimes we make Korean pancakes that are very, very heavy in the batter, and it's good that way too. But this recipe, super light in batter, and the vegetables are crunchy and soft and so yummy. Wait, don't go anywhere. I need you to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on that playlist tab, and select Korean pancake recipe playlist. Oh boy, we have so many different ways of making delicious pancakes at home. So I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon. Doing so does wonders for my channel, so I want to thank you in advance, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, and perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of these Korean recipe videos you see right here.